Good day, everyone. Today I will talk about best practices and planning for data loss. As a student and future developer, I learned that is not just about writing a code. It's also about making sure systems are safe and can recover quickly. Losing data can cause problems like downtime or lose work. So having a good plan is very important. Developers are responsible not just for writing code but also for ensuring systems are resilient. Data loss can cause downtime, financial loss, and reputational damage. Best practices: automate backups, schedule backups for code, database, and configs, use version control, track code changes with Git or similar tools. Set recovery goals, define RTO, how fast, and RPO, how much data lose. Test recovery, regularly restore backups to ensure that works, check data integrity. Verify backups aren't corrupted. Secure backups, encrypt and restrict access. Document procedures, keep clear, up-to-date recovery steps. Monitor and alert. Get notified or backup failures. Design resilient system. Use modular modular architectures and redundancy. Improve continuously. Update plans based on the past incident. Planning step. First is identify critical data and system. Second, choose backup methods and storage location. Third, create step-by-step recovery procedures. Fourth, test and refine recovery regularly. And the fifth one is integrate security measures. And lastly, keep documentation updated. Identify critical data and system. Determine which files, database, and services are essential for your application or business. Prioritize them in your recovery plan. Choose backup methods or storage location. Decide between full, incremental, or differential backup stores copies in multiple locations, local, cloud, or site to reduce risk. Create step-by-step recovery procedure. Write clear instructions for restoring each system or data set. Include verification step to ensure recovery works correctly. Test and refine recovery regularly. Simulate data loss event periodically, identify gap or delay and refine the procedure to improve speed and reliability. Integrate security measure. Encrypt backups, use strong authentication and limit access. Security should be part of every step of backup and recovery plan. Keep documents updated. As a system involved, data recovery step, diagram, and backup schedules outdated. Documentation can slow down recovery when you need it most. Lastly, conclusion. For developers, being ready for data loss, it's just a safety net. It parts of building reliable software by automating backups using version control, security data, and regularly testing recovery procedures. You make sure that important system and files can be restored quickly. When things go wrong, clear planning, knowing your recovery goal, RTO and RPO, and keeping documentation up to date turns what could be a stressful emergency into a smooth, manageable process. In short, goods preparation keep your project and your team safe and running. That's all. Thank you.